There you go. Up, 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 up. There you go. Ouchie. There you go. Go, 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 go. Yeah, there you go. There you go. Perfect. Wonderful. Hey, look at that. There you go.
Here's a little post-mortem on my packing foam wing. And it's gotten up to a little over 300 grams. So it's still light enough though, it's okay. It's a little tail heavy, but I got these 14-gram metal servos on here, so that's 10 grams back here, which would be like putting 90 grams about there. So I'm going to switch these out with some 9-gram servos. And I got to support this is where the real weakness is. When it crashes, it doesn't hurt the plane, but a lot of times the motor and the prop will end up in the foam. So I'm going to reinforce this right around here with either some plywood or maybe some stiffer foam. And the other thing that I need to fix and try is these elevons are just awful. They're very draggy. So I'm going to switch these out with some 6mm PP foam, which is very hard foam. And so maybe that'll take care of some of the drag. And I put this tail on here a little crooked, so it's going to veer to the left a little bit, but it doesn't affect it too much. So anyway, that's my next try. And then final thing is, instead of gluing all these pieces together, I'm just going to get some 2cm foam, one big piece, and cut out the whole body just out of one piece, and that'll get rid of all this tape, which is some extra weight. And then I can probably get rid of these two spars. If I support that area, I can probably get rid of those spars. And then we'll see how it goes. But it is very crash resistant, very crash proof. Never did hurt the battery. The battery is stuck in there, and so there's some weeds. So that is always protected by battery. Battery's never fallen out. The only thing that has ever happened is this prop ends up over here, so I really need to get rid of this prop holder and put one on with rubber bands. And so we'll try that next.